This woman produced UK's first pair of homegrown jeans as part of her mission to fight back against fast fashion.
The jeans, they're not like a factory-produced, standardized, perfect pair of jeans. They show the struggle. They're obviously very special to me because of the whole 3-year journey I've been on to produce them.
This is Justine Aldersey-Williams. She's a natural textile dyer and creative activist in the UK. Growing her own jeans is part of an initiative called Homegrown Homespun in collaboration with fashion designer Patrick Grant. One of its goals is to reintroduce native textile crops like flax and indigo to make jeans so that consumers avoid buying harmful alternatives.
There are 70 million pairs of jeans sold in the UK every year, and this pair right here are the only pair that have been grown in this country. You know, they're an active rebellion against fast fashion. They're part of a whole uprising of people who are divesting from harmful fossil fuel derived products and looking at really beautiful alternative ways of making things the way all our ancestors did.
Before harvesting the crops she planted to create the jeans, Aldersey-Williams, who specializes in botanical textile dyeing, spent 9 months learning how to spin flax fibers into linen. She said that the process wasn't easy and she enlisted community weavers to help sew the jeans.
We were growing on disused urban land with a community of volunteers. We planted our flax and our woad in this field that had been used for rough sleeping in the centre of Blackburn. We had to dig up old mattresses, we found old sinks, all kinds of, about 150 bags of rubbish we collectively cleared with a group of probably about 50 people. And we all worked together in the field. It was a beautiful collective endeavour, actually.
100 years ago, flax was a popular crop in Britain, used to make linen. But as fast fashion moved towards cheaper material like cotton, demand for it fell. But cotton is one of the most unsustainable crops in the world. Cotton production uses high amounts of water that lead to freshwater shortages around the world. For example, it takes about 10,000 liters of water to make one pair of jeans. Its production also uses high amounts of hazardous chemicals which contaminate waterways and soil. Aldersey-Williams wants to create short supply chains that directly link farms to fashion and reintroduce textile crops to the UK. She aims to bring locally grown indigo linen jeans to market within the next 2 years.
So I decided to kind of loop back and fulfill that prototype pair myself. Now, Patrick has still got plans to bring a version of these to market. They won't be homespun because we haven't been able to just wave a magic wand and create multi-million-pound spinning facilities in the UK, but they will be homegrown.
She also hopes creating these jeans will bring back British-grown linen, which she says has been forgotten.
It's just a beautiful way of remembering human nature, coming back down to earth, coming to our senses. Not everyone wants to grow their own pair of jeans. We need to make this more healthy, equitable garment available to more people, but at a scale that is appropriate, at a scale that is kind of humane and it doesn't exploit the planet.